Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Velo exchange has closed $4, or so they really thought. Velo certainly has a medium-term obstruction at $5, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo's MR10 in every practical sense shows a kind of descending pattern, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which by and large is genuinely critical. 28 February 2024. In this video, we will especially walk you through Velo. Cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these much of the time commonly clarified some things facts. What fundamentally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Velo, generally is Velo A. Wise venture, which truly is very critical. Velo support and obstruction levels and so forth, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Yet, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Velo specialized examination, in a real sense, let us in a real sense discuss the kind of current economic situations in an especially significant manner. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the really whole digital money market to 237, 612 to 72, 306, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The extremely all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $163, 559, 595, 374, showing how Velo support and obstruction levels and so forth in a for the most part significant manner. Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16-33% in a genuinely significant manner, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours, really in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time span, or so they for the most part thought. Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana, fundamentally is up by 4.2, and as of now exchanging at $112.25, which most certainly is very huge. Furthermore, XRP came to $157 in the wake of seeing a decay of 407% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market really is going in a kind of descending bearing for especially present moment, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, a genuinely broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time period, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant. Specialized pointers used to basically recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how Velo support and opposition levels and so on in a genuinely huge manner. Support generally is a level at which purchases fundamentally become commonly more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they sort of thought. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which dealers fundamentally move essentially dynamic, and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which certainly is genuinely huge. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo truly is exchanging at $94 with an exchanging volume of $543,743, which generally is genuinely critical. However, Velo truly has a value decline of 582% in the genuinely last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 1171% throughout the week with a truly complete market capitalization of $186, 353 as USD. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time span, which really is very huge. Velo Value Examination, Velo Cost Examination for 28 February 2024 inside a kind of everyday time period especially made sense of beneath, showing how which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658% in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize truly relative strength. Indexacy, moving fundamentally normal combination and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially basic moving, especially normal SMA and dramatic moving, truly normal AMA to dissect the future development of the Velo in an unpretentious manner, as a matter of fact. The really relative strength list RSI demonstrates that the Velo coin truly is in oversold stage as RSI generally is at 30, showing how Veloust exchanges closed under 4, or so they basically thought. The Veloust moving fundamentally normal union and difference MACD pointer in every practical sense is showing a present moment by and large sell sort of sign as the MACD line by and large is moving beneath exceptionally signal line, which for the most part implies essentially bears in a real sense are overwhelming on the lookout. So support by and large is a level at which purchases for the most part become certainly more extremely dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they fundamentally thought. While Velo's Williams % R pointer essentially is at 95.1932 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an oversold condition and transient pattern, especially inversion in a real sense is conceivable, which generally is very critical. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, showing that Veloust exchanges closed $4 in an essentially huge manner. Velo basically is moving in descending course concerning the most part bears effectively basically take the coin beneath quick help level of $4 in every practical sense. Further appearance how right now an especially broad fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08. Following a value change of 384% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, Velo ought to by and large track down a help at $4, or in all likelihood the dealers could then focus on the essential help level set at $5, showing how Velo support and opposition levels and so on, or so they generally thought. Ends Velo explicitly is presently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to for the most part suggest that the digital money by and large is in an unstable circumstance that can't exactly be redressed, showing the way in which we utilize certainly relative strength indexacy, moving genuinely normal combination and disparity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, straightforward moving pretty normal SMA and dramatic moving sort of normal AMA to really examine the future development of the Velo, or so they sort of thought. Regardless of whether the cost by and large is falling consistently, it in a real sense is. Guessed that the two help levels will basically act as serious areas of strength for commonly and cause the pattern line to bounce back once again into the very certain zone, showing how the Veloust moving exceptionally normal